Take a deep breath. Now imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, sunlight slipping through your curtains, your room still quiet, and before you even stretch your arms, you grab your phone, open your banking app, and suddenly you see it. An extra $500. Not from a job, not from overtime, not from anything you physically did today, but from something you built online. Pause for a moment. How would that feel? Surprising? Exciting? Life-changing? Because for thousands of people every single day, this isn't a fantasy. It's their reality. And today, you're going to learn exactly how they did it, step by step, in a way so simple, so practical, that by the end of this audio, you'll feel ready to start earning online today. So sit back or lean forward, because this isn't just a guide. This is your turning point. Picture this. You're sitting at your laptop, maybe in your bedroom, maybe at a small desk, maybe even in a noisy cafe. But suddenly everything feels quiet, focused, because for the first time, you're about to use your laptop not just for browsing, not just for watching videos, but for making money. And the moment you take your first step, something inside you whispers, this could actually work. Let's start with the method beginners use to earn their first real money online. Freelancing. Simple, flexible, beginner-friendly. Now imagine this. You open your laptop, go to a site like Fiverr or Upwork, and you see thousands of people getting paid just to do small tasks, writing simple text, editing photos, designing basic posters, or even doing things as simple as typing audio. And you think, wait, people get paid for this? Yes, they do. Every minute. And here's the secret. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. Step 1. Choose a skill you already have. Writing, typing, voice recording, Canva design, anything simple. Step 2. Create a clean profile with one strong sample. Step 3. Apply to 10 small jobs every single day. Slow, steady, consistent. The moment that first order arrives, even if it's just $5, something huge shifts in your mind, because it proves you can earn online. Now let's go deeper. Imagine building something that earns while you sleep. This is where digital products come in. Picture yourself designing a simple ebook, a diet plan, a study guide, a how-to checklist, or even printable templates all inside Canva for free. You upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Set the price. Hit publish. And then, hours later, you hear it. A notification. Your first sale. You didn't talk to anyone. You didn't deliver anything manually. You made money automatically because you created something once, and it continued selling while you were eating, studying, cooking, or even sleeping. That's not just income. That's freedom. Ready for something even more surprising? Affiliate marketing. You don't create products. You don't handle customers. You don't need inventory. You simply share links to products you like, Amazon gadgets, courses, software, and every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. Imagine this. You're talking to a friend about a phone stand you love. You send them the link. They buy it. You get paid. It's that simple. And now imagine doing that. Not with one friend, but with hundreds of people every week through TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or even WhatsApp status. Tiny actions, big results. Now pause. Take a breath. Ask yourself, have you ever wondered what your life would look like if just one of these methods worked for you? If you earned $10 today, $50 next week, $300 next month, and slowly, your laptop became your personal money machine? Because that's exactly how online earners start. Not with luck, not with special skills, but with one decision, the decision to begin. So here you are, listening, thinking, feeling something inside you ignite. This is your moment, your starting point, your chance to step into a world where opportunity never sleeps. Open your laptop, choose one method, take the first step tonight, because the next time you wake up, look at your phone, open your banking app. You might just see something new, a number that tells you you finally started earning online, and your life is beginning to change.